What's up, peeps? You're looking at 2 pork loins, heavily seasoned with Kosmos Q Dry Rub, Honey Killer Bee, and Meat Church's Honey Hog Barbecue. So, gonna see which one is better for these little pork loins here. Got a couple meat sticks in there, MeatStick X and 4X, just so I know when to take them out and I can manage to cook through their app. Over here, we got the Weber 26. It's right up to temp. Let me come around. That's the setup. Got some chunk in there. I think it's Jealous Devil chunk. Slow and sear for the 26 on the right. And gonna start it off indirect. Gonna bring them up to about 130, 135. Then I'll bring it over the coals and just kind of sear them up a little bit. All right, so I'm just gonna I think I'll face them towards the heat like that. Bigger side toward the coals. Let me scoot that back. I don't want to, that's going to give me a bad reading. That's probably not a good idea. Let's see what I shall do. We'll just go like that, rotate them like that. I can monitor them individually through the app, so I'll know when to rotate them. That's what's pretty cool about the app. Anyways, there we go. I'm gonna put the lid on and we'll be back in a bit. All right, just coming in for a look. About 115 internal on both of these, approximately a degree or two between the two. I added a couple char logs on there because I was getting a little low on the heat. Needed to give it a bump. So that's what's the haps. So another 10 degrees, 15 degrees on these two guys. I'm gonna bring them over and get the sear going. All right, guys, as you just saw, the temps, it's time to start searing these guys. Let's come in here. See what we can do. That's a little too close, huh? Hang on. All right, let's start with this big boy over here. Just drop him right there. Whoops, oh shit. They fucking didn't even see that the grill grate was open. That's cool. Got it caveman style there for a sec. Keeping it real, peeps. You witnessed it. Sometimes I do dumb things. Alright, back. Got them both searing right now. They are almost identical in internal temp. So, another 30 seconds or so on the grill here. We're going to take it off, let them rest for a few minutes. I'll slice in and we'll see if Killer Hogs or Meat Church is better. You know they're both going to be damn good. So I don't care who wins. They're both winners. Anyways, we'll be back. Alright, here's what it looks like before I cut into it. Been sitting for about 15 minutes. Had a sheet of foil over there. That's who's who. So here we go. All right. We'll just do right down the middle there. And let's see how it looks. Nice peak center, as you can see. A very, very thin smoke ring appears to be showing up, but looks good. So that's that. Let's cut into the honey hog. See how that one turned out. It's a little smaller, but they both show this exact same temp when done. And there we go. Pink center. Kind of a minimal smoke ring there like the other. Nice. Not much of a difference in coloring though. The Kosmos Q is noticed a little darker in color after I put the rub on and whatnot, but right now I can barely even tell. I wouldn't know. All right, cut a couple slices. All right. There we go. All right, let's roll them up. Kosmos Q's Meat Church. Almost identical looking. All right, I shall start with Cosmo. Hang on. Very, very tender, just pulls apart. Look at that. That's nice. Probably the best pork loin I've ever had. I've only done a couple in my grilling years. But wow, that's good. Sweet, not much to it. You know, it's honey. Goes very, very well with the pork. That's great. Gonna wash my palate and I'll be right back. All right, palate is cleansed. Here's the meat church slice. Here we go. All right, well, that was dang good too. Two good pork loins. But if I had to pick one, I would pick the Meat Church Honey Hog Barbecue. Little sweeter, just detected a little more flavor to it. I seasoned them equally, both exact same temp internally, both equally tender. But I detected a little more honey or something in the Meat Church one. So hopefully that was helpful to you. Looking real good here. Real good. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate it. Gabagoo Barbecue. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Thank you.